Let's look at how to identify a perfect square trinomial, otherwise known as a PST. There are three criteria. The second sign has to be a plus sign, the first and third terms have to be perfect squares, and the middle term has to be equal to 2 times the square root of the first term times the square root of the third term. So let's apply it. Is this a PST? Well, is the second sign a plus sign? Yes, it is. Are the first and third terms perfect squares? Yes, they are. Now let's check the middle term. It has to be equal to 2 times the square root of this, which is x, times the square root of that, which is 4. 2 times 4 is 8x. They match, so this is a big yes. Let's look at another one. 4x squared plus 10x plus 9. Is the second sign a plus sign? Yes, it is. Are the first and third terms perfect squares? Yes, they are. Let's check this middle term. It has to be equal to 2 times the square root of this times the square root of that. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12x. That doesn't match what we have, so this one is a big no. Now let's look at this one. Go through your checklist. Is the second sign a plus sign? Yes, it is. Are the first and third terms perfect squares? Yes and yes. Now, is the middle term equal to 2 times? The square root of this is 3x. The square root of that is 2y. 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 is 12. You got the x, y. Does this match your middle term? Yes, it does. So this is a perfect square trinomial. That's a big yes. And the last one, is your second sign a plus sign? No. So this is a no. You don't even have to go any further. If you don't have a plus sign in this position, you do not have a perfect square trinomial. Good job.